We are going to interview some tourists in Pangandaran Beach.
Yay!
But first, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Jaki Muhammad Paujan.
My name is Rini Rahmawati.
My name is Topita Yohana.
My name is Mereka.
My name is Eva Sarena.
We are grade 12 Social 2.
Let's go!
My world is looking different, lost a little bit of color. Pictures in my head from when I used to call you lover. I don't really know where I'm headed with this message. I learned a lesson.
You might have someone in this restaurant, I think. Well, it's worth trying.
So go if you want to, I don't really care. You left me in the dark in a blacked out bedroom, tearing me apart, really wish I never met you. I can't get you out of my head, so take what you want to. I don't really want you, I don't really need you, I don't wanna see you. Sick of always chasing, I won't wait this hard.
We're recording, by the way. Do you mind with that?
Yeah, that's okay.
So, your name is Jen?
Yes.
Right? Okay. So Jen, we will ask you some question like an interview or something like that.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's a personal question. You can say no if you don't want to answer it. So, what's the time of your birth?
Pardon?
What's the time of your birth?
My birth? It's 31st of March 1981.
What is you doing here? You working in here or you just spend your time here?
Just holiday, just for surfing. Yeah, just relaxing, vacation.
After you before that you are from Australia. Can you describe something about your country?
Yes, Australia is similar, parts of Australia are very similar to Batukaras, small village. I grew up in a small village. Like there's trees, beaches. Not in the city. I'm not from the city.
Nice beach.
Yeah, this is very beautiful.
So, are you married?
No, Nora's just a good friend. Yeah, we met in Batukaras.
You just friends?
Yeah, we just both enjoy surfing. Yeah, very well.
By the way, what do you think about our teacher, Mr. Chang, the one who hosted the event?
Yeah, he's very nice. Lovely man. It's great to meet him. I only meet him today, but very nice to meet him.
Yeah, he's
Good teacher?
Yeah.
Very good English.
Have you ever tried Indonesian potato chips in stainless steel? Do you like it? I promise.
Yeah, I'd love to try it. I'm not sure what I've eaten. Oh, from Banjar. Oh, thank you very much.
Salah.
Oh, thank you. For me?
Yeah?
Oh, thank you very much.
Have a go.
You sure?
Yeah,
Oh, thank you so much.
in Indonesia.
Ah, thank you so much. And what's that? Oh, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Very kind.
That's it, I guess. Do you have a question for us? You can ask anything as far as you know.
After you finish high school, you will go to university and study?
Yeah, I'm going to go to university. Jakarta, you know.
Jogja. I know Jogja.
Thanks for your time.
That's okay. Yeah, nice to meet you all. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. See you next time.